Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable predictive on your iPhone. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on settings, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Click here on general, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, just click here on keyboard, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You come here to predictive here, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean predictive enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.